At HEL Performance, everything starts with raw stainless steel bar. This is then loaded by hand into our bar-fed sliding head CNC machines, undoubtedly the backbone of the company. Every brake line fitting is CNC machined by automated programs that we control and monitor, ensuring quality at every step of the machining process. Running 24/7, 365 days of the year, this part of the process is what truly makes us unique. Fittings are collected in batches before being cleaned, polished and checked for quality. Once this process is complete, only then are they ready to be fitted to hoses in the second stage of our production story. Our braided hose utilises a three-stage construction consisting of a PTFE internal core, a stainless steel braided mesh and a PVC outer cover. Renowned for its exceptional chemical resistance, shielding against perishing and tolerance against extreme temperatures, the PTFE inner core allows smooth and free-flowing transfer of the brake fluid. Reinforcing the core is a high-strength stainless steel overbraid, providing further protection against wear and tear and allowing for further flexibility. As a final layer of safeguarding, a clear all-coloured wipe-clean PVC cover finishes the hose neatly and protects body panels and paintwork from becoming marred or scratched. Using our in-house database for identifying kit layout, workshop technicians, all trained in-house to exacting standards, then construct your hose to the required specification. We hydraulically crimp every fitting onto the braided hose using our unique multi-groove hose fitting and ferrule design. These grooves are dual-purpose. They form internal sealing O-rings and they enable the free and secure rotation of the fittings after assembly. The hose ferrule also features an internally located locking groove, which ensures that the fitting will never detach from the hose. The product is then packaged, ready for worldwide shipping from our HQ here in the UK, or from one of our many authorised distributors, who are licensed to assemble our products using HEL-supplied machinery and training. We take great pride in our work, backing our entire range of brake and clutch hoses with a HEL lifetime warranty. All our hoses are tested to extremes in the laboratory and on the racetrack, where they're proven time and time again. So the question is, what's stopping you?